Hey guys, welcome to my third and last sprint for our iTech 7500 project Belfield Service Center. As mentioned in my previous sprint, we are working on creating an order management system for Belfield, which will be an internal order management system that will help them to create purchase order, keep tab on the inventories, and as well as collect all the information about the suppliers, the contacts and stuff in one place in a central database. So coming down to the final sprint, we have successfully completed all the required functionality in it. The third sprint was mainly focused on uploading the software in a cloud framework. For this case, we have chosen AWS framework, AWS server, the Amazon Web Server as a sort of advised or sort of recommended service. To complete the task, we had divided different activities between us, and in my particular area, I was tasked with doing some research on the AWS server facilities, what can be uploaded, and as this is an internal project, we can't afford to pay or buy the services. We were looking for any free trial services available, or any free trial services that could help us to upload a mock-up version and see how it works. And I did a bit of research and found out that Amazon runs Amazon free trial service that's lasts about a year, has very limited applications, but it did allow upload a domain into their S3 bucket where it will host the web page itself. So that was one of my part. The other part in this final sprint for myself was finalizing all the manuals, not necessarily the user manual, but finalizing all the documents, especially the technical documents, and all the libraries from the codes and all other required technical IP, the intellectual properties that were used during the project. And I did that as well. So we created a report for the client where it has all the required information, from how you can interact with the system to where are all the system hosted and stuff like that. Unfortunately, we were not able to upload it completely in the AWS server, because we had to create a RDS database and some other stuff, and which actually cost us quite a few amount there. So we decided just to do a mock-up version. And during this final sprint, the lesson I learned was actually a very important lesson I learned was we should have prepared ourselves on the AWS front before we actually went on to the full length of the project, because uploading our system to AWS became quite challenging. We did fail a couple of times, and it is still an ongoing process. We're still speaking with our tutor, and we're trying to figure out how we can do it properly. So yeah, one of the important lessons I've learned was I should have, and we as a team should have looked at this the whole process properly in midway through our report and see how far we could go. And the other thing I learned was the technical documentation. It is best to have all the information and or start compiling the technical documentation from day one rather than staying until the end, because I came across a few challenges where it was hard to sort of put everything into place, and it was difficult to keep everything in the order, and a lot of parts were missing. So I had to do a lot of digging and had a few more meetings with our team to sort of organize everything. So yeah, the other important lesson learned was we have to make sure that all the documentation we do should be done from the start rather than waiting till the end. And that was it for our sprint there, and we are quite happy with our project, and we're excited to show it to our tutor. Thank you.